Hey guys, Shahey with SK Customs here. Just wanted to show you a ultimate headrest monitor solution. These are made by Vizualogic. These things are sick. This is going in a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. They actually are custom made. The stitching and leather are from the factory leather. Stitching, color, everything. They match them. They make them custom each time you order. These things are really cool. So they're actually tablets which have DVD players built into them, HDMI and all. You can release it, then it comes out, and you take it on the go. You put it in your cover. And now you'll be able to use your headrest tablet on the go. It comes with two covers. You have two wireless headphones, optional Bluetooth controllers for games on these tablets. This company is very legit. They're nice. Everything is down to spec. I vouch for them 100%. Real nice equipment. This particular headrest has the sleeve over it, which is really cool. You can remove it, and there goes the headrest. The purpose of this is to hide them. So if you're in an area you don't want people to see your headrest monitors, then you can hide them. They look like regular headrests afterwards. This company has a lot of attention to detail. They're awesome. Any kind of expandability to these things. I like the fact that it's a tablet. You know, you can cut them on Netflix, internet. They're just like a standard tablet. You got Netflix right here. You know, obviously you got to sync up via internet, Wi-Fi, but you get the point. It's really good. I love them. DVD player is really cool function of them, and they're gonna be like stock factory, just like they came out of the dealership. Again, this is Shahey with SK Customs. This is the Vizualogic custom pre-made headrest monitors directly from the company. Thank you. Here's the headrest monitors installed. These things are really clean. DVD. Put on your headphones. You can watch two separate DVDs at the same time. And it's a full-blown tablet. You got your apps. You got games on here. Really nice. You can get these through us. These are Vizualogic headrest monitors, custom made to match your factory leather. Thanks.